This is the last day of our last session of this Parliament in Strasbourg. A lot of members have left already on their way home. A lot of members are retiring or going on to other work, not standing again in the elections. And certainly after May, this Parliament is going to look very different. It's been a very exciting time over the past few years. I've been in the Parliament since 1999 representing Wales. I always talk about Wales in my speeches. I raise issues with the Commission and fellow members. And I've also had the honour of being the president of our European Free Alliance group, the members who represent Wales, Scotland, the Basque Country, Catalonia and other small nations. And as president, I've been able to speak in the key debates here on the future of Europe. Of course, Europe is going to change a lot. It must change a lot. And Wales's role within Europe must change too. So things are going to be very different when the Parliament reconvenes here in July for its new session. But one thing is certain, that we must be talking about Wales's future in Europe, developing our ideas, raising our profile and ensuring that we become a modern, successful European nation.